The history of Latin. Latin is frequently described as a dead language, and in the literal sense, that is true, as nobody grows up speaking it as their native tongue. But Latin's influence on the modern world remains profound. At its height, Latin was the lingua franca of the Roman Empire, spoken across a vast territory from Britain to North Africa. When the empire fell, Latin evolved and fragmented into the modern Romance languages, including Italian, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Romanian, spoken by over 1 billion people today. Latin also saturates the vocabulary of science, medicine, law, and theology. Biologists use binomial nomenclature written in Latin. Lawyers invoke habeas corpus and pro bono, Latin principles persisting for 2 millennia. The Catholic Church used Latin as its official language until the 1960s. Despite being spoken by no living community, Latin's intellectual legacy shows no sign of fading. Retell script. The lecture discussed Latin and its enduring influence despite being a dead language. The speaker explained that Latin was the lingua franca of the Roman Empire and evolved into modern Romance languages spoken by over 1 billion people. Latin continues to underpin science, medicine, law, and theology through terms like binomial nomenclature and habeas corpus. The lecture concluded that Latin's intellectual legacy remains deeply embedded in modern civilization. Keywords to hit: Latin, dead language, lingua franca, Roman Empire, Romance languages, taxonomy, binomial nomenclature, habeas corpus, legal terminology, scientific terminology, Catholic Church, Western civilization.